Hi, it's Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. Happy New Year. Today is the first Monday of a new year. It's the first Monday of a new quarter, and it's the first Monday of the new month. And what's really exciting about this day is that you get to decide what you want to do with it. I want you to think about where you stand today and what decisions do you need to make in order for you to achieve the dreams and results that you've always wanted to. If you don't start doing that today, you will never achieve those things. And I happen to know that this from personal experience is I have some things that I wrote down 5 years ago that are just coming to fruition now. I've had things that I wrote down a month ago that are coming to fruition now. But the fact is that I write all of these dreams and results that I want so that I can figure out what the action steps are so I can continue to work on them both short term and long term. So I want you to do the same thing. Get yourself out a piece of paper, think about where you stand today. What's your dreams? What results do you want? And those might be short term or they could be long term. I want you to sit down and write short term, long term, and write out what they are. Even if you just do that today, knowing where you stand today and where you need to go is really, really important. And if you can add some action steps around it, that makes it even better. But don't let this day go because it is the first Monday of a new year, of a new quarter, and a new month, which means that this could be the start of a new you. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. And if you have a topic that you want me to talk about or a question that you want to ask me, feel free to email me at jean@getmoreresults.com. And if you want to talk about the new you or how to get to new you, feel free to click on the link in the email or in the caption to schedule your free, no obligation coaching session. We'd love to talk to you about that. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. Go out and get results.